We all love being outdoors, enjoying sport or playing games. But while you're having fun, a tick bite can be just a step away. And a bite can cause nasty diseases such as Lyme disease or meningitis. Been outside? Check yourself and each other carefully this evening. If you find that a tick has attached itself to you, you must remove all of it fast. On the site, you'll find an instruction film. Always avoid using your nails, alcohol or a flame. Use a tick remover instead, or the Ticks to Go that fits onto your keyring. Always ensure you carefully disinfect the area afterwards. Write down the date of the bite and where it is on your body and monitor it for a few weeks. If you feel ill or a red ring appears around the bite, contact your GP. Care Plus. Safe travels, great stories.
Know me for